All right, I just got my MS-20 Mini from the UPS guy. I think that unboxing videos are kind of stupid, but I'm going to do one anyway just because I need to open this shit regardless. As you can see, I've got another video ripping right now that I'm going to upload to YouTube later. You can see what I've got going on here. This is a bunch of shit that I've done earlier today. Bunch of random crap, but anyway, let's see what's up with this MS-20 Mini. And yes, I am using a steak knife from the kitchen. And I'm probably not dexterous enough to open this shit one-handed. So, yeah. I'm going to set this down for a sec. Okay, I've got it open now. I bought this MS-20 Mini used, as you could probably tell because stuff's just kind of laying in there. Looks like I have all my original stuff, specifications, owner's manual, stuff like that. I'll set that over here. What is this? I guess that's the actual owner's manual. We'll put that over there. Setting examples. Cool. All right. And then we have the actual unit in the styrofoam blocks here. Here's my patch cables. Sweet. Might need to get some longer ones. I'm assuming this is the power supply. And I'm going to set it back down again for a sec so I could lift this out. Ah, motherfucker. Sweet. Hell yeah. All right. This is the, whoa, shit. Almost dropped it on the floor. It's the first view out of the little styrofoam plastic wrap shit that it came in. See a bunch of patch points, some keys, little pitch bend wheel, pew, 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 pew. Or I guess that might actually be a mod wheel, the way it feels. Not entirely sure, but anyway, this is going to be a whole lot of fun to play with. Yeah, I look forward to some videos in the future. I'm getting ready to plug this in and play. Peace.